So, good morning, everybody. Thank you very much for coming that early this Saturday morning. I also want to thank the Scientific Program Committee for the invitation. It's a big honor for me to be here today. In the last couple of years, ceramic implants made from zirconia have become a serious alternative to titanium implants. Initially, many clinicians were very skeptical regarding the clinical application of ceramic implants, and this skepticism was very often attributed to a monotype or one-piece implant design, which was more or less a characteristic feature for the early or first generation of zirconia implants. The development and the market establishment of two-piece implant designs have provided new treatment options. From a surgical and prosthetic point of view, the handling seems to be more familiar compared to the application of titanium implants. And this is probably based on the fact that in the last decades, two-piece thinking has been established in implant dentistry. Zirconia implants have been established on the market around about in 2004. And since then, there were many products available on the market, different designs, diameters, and different techniques regarding the surgical application. And if we take a look at the timeline, we can clearly see that the first period of zirconia implant dentistry was dominated by a monotype or one-piece implant design. And following to that, the implant companies also started to establish and develop two-piece implant designs. Of course, this was based also regarding the requests from the market. And currently, we can clearly see that there's a trend towards the two-piece implant designs regarding the ceramic implants.